Hi, welcome back. So I decided I'd give you guys a little bit of an update on the C10. I've been working on it quite a bit, but haven't really gotten time to film a lot. So yeah, as you can see, I replaced a lot of the floor and to the front here as well. There's still a little rust spot. The new floor didn't reach that far. I'll patch that up yet. And then there's new rocker panel and the door from the inside, and also new skin from the outside. So yeah, I need to put a little bit of filler on the weld here, but other than that, it's looking good. And so yeah, now I just need to do all of that on the other side yet. And I've also cut out the roof, as you can see, where the windshield part was all rusted out. So I have new parts there. It's cut out, almost ready to start welding it in. And then we'll start on the other side on the floor. All new floor for that as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.